not shy, not me.
Hi everyone, wow, I am so happy. This is the first time I've ever joined a group order from a YouTuber. If you all don't know him, he's Randy, and also known as Chaebomb on YouTube and Chaebomb name on Twitter. And yeah, I joined his group itzy group order. I also watched his itzy sorting video, so please go check it out. He does the best red velvet and itzy group orders that I know of. He's honestly so amazing. I'm not mutuals with him on my new Twitter, but I was mutuals with him on my past Twitters, and he's an amazing mutual on Twitter as well. So yeah, all my support goes out to him. He's an amazing YouTuber as well, and I really enjoy his content. He's like the best. Rebel Love King. We love him. So the front just has our information on it, but yeah. I'm super excited. I forgot which version it's called, the one I got. Oh, I'm also super excited for, does he have a freebie card? I think so. But yeah, I totally forgot which version I got. I got the yellow itzy version. Okay, so I double checked and I got the A version, which is the yellow one, because I thought the yellow colorway was beautiful. I honestly forgot which concepts were in that photo book. I did watch unboxings a long while back when the album was first released. Ooh, I love how he put bubble wrap. I love that. This is my first time joining a Chaebomb group order, and I don't know, I've just been super excited. Oh my gosh! Wait, this is such a cute group order benefit. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Yes, Chaebomb. Oh, I've never seen these cards. I've seen his itzy group what's holographic cards, and then ones for red velvet, I think. I'm not sure. I've seen his signed Polaroids as well. But oh my gosh, this is so cute. Yes. Actually, I think I've only seen the group ones for red velvet. I mean, oh my gosh, itzy. The group itzy cards. Yeah. Oh my gosh, there's literally the bi-colors on the back. Oh my gosh, we love the king. Anyways, so yeah, I feel like everyone knows what the photo book looks like. So I'm gonna get everything out, all the benefits. Oh yeah, this is for the special sub K cards. Was it special sub K? I'm trying to remember because it was okay, yeah, it was for the sub K video call group order. So yeah, he sorted the sub K cards as well. So here are all my what's it called? My polls are all hidden here, but it's on the group page. Oh my gosh, let's start. And let's just go through this album so it's not shy. I'm just gonna go through it really quickly. Let's talk about it. So literally this era was Chaeyoung's era, and me being Chaeyoung biased, and also I feel like I am double biasing with Leo right now. Leo will be my close second bias. But anyways, literally both of them served. This was Chaeyoung's era. Truly, if we want to talk about whose era was on which era, let's talk about it. So oh my gosh, they look so pretty. Let's see. Icy was Icy Yeji's era, and Wannabe is definitely Ryujin. So Not Shy is Chaeyoung, and Dala Dala was maybe Yuna. Yeah, I'm gonna think about it, but I think that makes sense. So yeah, this is Chaeyoung and Leah's era. Everyone, oh my gosh, loves the little glasses that Leah had in this photo book. So cute. Do you see the serve? Her hairstyle is such a serve. Oh my gosh. Ryujin with the cowboy hat, so pretty. The styling was just so amazing this era. I loved all the stage outfits. There wasn't a single bad stage outfit. And, the stylist just served. Do you see this? We just won. Midseas really won. There was no bad styling this era. Yeah, all the stages were so good and everyone's so pretty. Also, this gummy bear ring is so cute. Yes, I love this hairstyle on Yuna. The long hair, wavy flowing. Oh my gosh. And all the accessories. Yes. But yeah, I feel every itzy song is good. Everything on all of their albums are good. There isn't a bad itzy song. I know maybe people have their own preferences, but for me personally, I don't think there's a bad itzy song. So yeah, thanks to, oh my god, why did it say got some in JV? Oh wait, did they thank all the groups Someone please let me know, because I also see twice. Because it's Momo. Is there Stray Kids? It's gonna take a while. Anyways, so all the thanks too for all the members. Oh my gosh, Chaeyoung is so long. That's so cute of her. So yeah, staff credit, and then here is the CD plate. Ooh, this one's cute. Oh my gosh, the rainbow, yes. Oh my goodness. Okay, this one is like, how do I even explain it? It's like, I don't know. This whole packaging and everything is perfect. Okay, what did I say? Well, oh my gosh, I cannot speak. The cards this era are superior. Like, I know all, like, I've seen all the cards, basically, what they look like. And the Chaeyoung and Ryujin unit card is so pretty, and I feel like everyone, or a lot of people, agrees with me on this. But selfie photo cards are superior, and we got so many selfie photo cards this era. And even the unit, like, photo cards are, like, so cute. Like, the selfie photo cards. Because for Wannabe era and, like, the other eras, like, the photo cards, I feel like, were cute, right? Like, they're cute. But I feel like these photo cards are top tier. Like, Not Shy era photo cards are the cutest. I don't know. I might be wrong. Don't get me wrong. But, like, yeah. I just love them so much. Okay, so it's on the other side. Oh, this is a pamphlet, like, fold out. So we got Miss Leah. And then we got, oh my gosh, Yuna, Yeji. Let's take it out more. Chaeyoung and Ryujin. Wait. Yeah. And then, yeah. All the way to the end. I'm trying not to see what my pulls are. But look at how pretty this is. Woo! So let's go to the other side, which is basically the lyrics, the serve. Okay. Sorry, I'm just like trying to show it. Like, woo! Okay. Okay. No, that covered my pulls, right? Okay. Okay. I did not see anything. Oh, there we go. So. Okay, so it comes in the sleeve. How should I do this? I'm kind of nervous. Okay, so we have 3 cards because one of them is a sub K, right? I assume this is a sub K on top. So let's see. Of course, I hope it's Chaeyoung. Oh wait, this is Leah! Oh my gosh, Leah looks so cute! Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is itzy sub K. Oh my gosh, wait. Miss Leah? Okay, I love that. I love that. I want to say happy with that because I love Leah so much. Yes, Leah, I love you. Yeah, so that was a Leah sub K. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Yes. Oh my gosh, that's her. Okay, that's fine because Leah's my second bias, so I know I put her second. Yes. Okay. I'm hoping. Oh my gosh, what if I get a Chaeyoung unit? Like, that'll be the serve. Okay. 3, 2, 1. You guys see it first. I'm opening my eyes. Oh my gosh, Leah and Yuna. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. That is so cute. Okay, I love that. Okay, I'm hoping for Chaeyoung. If I don't get Chaeyoung, it's fine. Okay, 3, 2, 1. You guys see it first. I don't have my eyes open yet. Eyes open now. We got Leah and Yeji. Oh my gosh, we got a bunch of Leah, and then the Chaeyoung freebie. Oh my gosh, I'm honestly fine with a bunch of Leah. That's cute. Okay, we love that. We love that. So let's just do an overview photo.